Hey lovelies and welcome back. I hope you're all having a wonderful day. In today's video I'm going to show you how I did these rainbow rose matte designed press-on nails. So I'm just going to show you what I used in the video altogether that you will be needing. I decided to use these tips. I haven't used them yet, but I thought, oh, I'll give it a go. They're not the best tips. I'm not that happy with them, but meh. You'll need a black and a white gel polish, and you also need a base coat and a top coat. It's up to you. You can do shiny or you can do matte. I am doing matte with these because it's art, so it pops. Ignore the striping tape. I don't end up using it. So yeah, don't worry about that. And I also use a Jingle Bell by Modelones. This is their gold glitter gel. And I'm also using some pigments that I bought off of AliExpress for like £2.50 from Nails&Beauty. I get a lot of my stuff from here. She's a great supplier, and or he, I don't know. And also using a striping brush and like a puffy brush, I don't know what you want to call it. So I'm just sizing up my nails, making sure they fit sidewall to sidewall, and because these are quite square around the cuticle, I had to file them and shape them into my cuticle shape. I also trimmed them down because they are very long, and I didn't want a very, very, very long nail for this design. Sorry, I had to pause them because my kids are screaming, playing outside. So anyhow, I use just a normal file, and I just file around the edges, just to like round it out and sort of like yeah, just shape it so that it fits my cuticle better. I probably will only use these for like extra long nails, like, and I'll do like half tips, but I don't like them as full cover. They look nice like in the box, but they're not that great. But still, they're, you know, they've done the job, but they're not amazing. Anyway, moving away from the tips. So I decided, because of everything that's going on at the moment, and of course it's Pride Month, so I wanted to do some Pride Month nails, rainbow, and I thought roses. You know, I thought it would all go, and I really enjoyed doing the set. It was really fun, and I absolutely love bright colours, so it was even better. So here are the nails on the stand, and I'm just showing you that I use my clippers to clip them down, and then I buff the shine away. But yeah, I hope you guys like this set. I enjoyed it. The shaping can definitely do some work. It was because I was just like, these tips are not working. Like, the smallest tip was quite big. Like, it was really big for my little finger, and I thought, So I will be only using these as like half tips and stuff from now on. But they're nice length, so I can't really complain there. But I'm just going to let you guys watch this little bit here, and then when we get to the actual gel polish design, I will be right back. So yeah, enjoy. back, guys. So now I'm just going to do a coat of each colour, and I alternate between black and white, black and white. So I do one coat and I fully cure for 60 seconds on each nail. Then I go in for a second coat, but I do not cure the second coat. And then I go in with my gel polish and I start to draw the roses. Yeah, don't cure until you've done your roses as well. I hope that makes sense. So first coat, cure. Second coat, don't cure. Draw in your roses into the wet gel that's already on there, and then cure once you've done the roses. It's all in the video, and I show you, I think, on the a black and a white nail. I don't show you every single nail because it's the same process over and over. So I'm just gonna let you watch that, and I'll be back in time for the pigments. So enjoy.
I begin to
I'm back again. So now with my brush, I just lightly dust the pigments in like a rainbow form up the nail, obviously alternating between each colour. I know that like pink is not in the rainbow, but these pigments, you know, you get what you're given. But it's still a rainbow to me. But once I'd done this, then I went in again with that gold gel polish because obviously the pigment took away the shine, and then I matte top coated, and then I just glued them on my nails with some nail glue, guys. So I'm going to leave it here. I'm going to let you watch the rest of the video. I don't think there's anything else to say. No. But I will leave links for everything that I use in the description box down below. I hope everyone enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. I hope everyone is staying safe. Keep on smiling, guys, and I will see you all in the next one. Okay, bye guys.